In this video, you'll learn how to create an online course website using WordPress with the LearnDash plugin. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a fully functional site tailored for online courses. Start by navigating to the WordPress.com website. You can do this by entering the URL into your browser's address bar. Once the page loads, look for the option labeled Sites in the main navigation menu. This is where you will begin the site creation process. Next, click on the button that says Create with AI. This option should be prominently displayed on the page. Selecting it will initiate the AI site building process, which will help streamline your website creation. After that, a message will appear on the screen indicating that the foundations are being laid for your new site. This process may take a moment, so be patient while the system prepares the necessary components. Once this appears, you will see a loading animation indicating that the AI is currently working on your site. It is important to wait until this process completes before proceeding to ensure that everything is set up correctly. When the loading is finished, you will receive a message prompting you to make your website unique. This is your opportunity to customize the site to reflect your personal or organizational branding. At this point, type in Create an Online Course Website in WordPress using LearnDash in the designated input area. This text will serve as a guide for the AI as it continues to develop your site. Ensure you enter this accurately before moving forward. After entering the text, click on the Enter key or button to submit your input. This action will confirm that you want to proceed with the given information. A new message will then appear confirming that WordPress.com can indeed create a website based on the information you provided. This confirmation is crucial as it reassures you that the setup is on the right track. Next, you will be prompted to choose the option given above. This selection will help WordPress understand your specific needs for the course website you are creating. Once you have made your selection, click on Enter again to proceed. This step is necessary to confirm your choice and advance to the next stage of the setup. Following this, you will see a message asking what you would like your website to be called. This refers to the site title that will appear in the browser tab, so think carefully about the name you want to use. Type in the desired name of your site in the provided field. This name will be the identity of your online course platform, so choose something that reflects its purpose. After typing in the name, press Enter to confirm your input. This confirmation is essential for the next steps in the site creation process. You will then be asked to provide a tagline or description that will show in search results and social previews. This should succinctly describe what your site helps people do. Type in an appropriate tagline in the designated area, ensuring it captures the essence of your online courses. Once completed, click Enter to submit your tagline. Next, click on the Enter button again to confirm your tagline. This step ensures that your description is saved and included in your site's metadata. Now click on the button that says Create My Site. This action will officially begin the creation of your online course website. After that, you will see a message that says, please wait, your site is brewing. This indicates that the system is processing your request and it may take a few moments to complete. You will then need to wait for the system to generate your site. This process can take some time, depending on various factors such as server load and your internet connection. Finally, you will see a message indicating that this might take a while. It is important to be patient during this phase as the creation of your online course website is being finalized. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.